Hello everyone, this is Discord Limited Tutorials Part 3, and in today's video, it's a serious one. We're going to be going over the new arbitration law that Discord has recently added to their TOS, and I'm also going to go over how you can opt out of this law if you are a US resident. So, if you haven't noticed, there has been some videos going out about the new arbitration law that Discord has added to their TOS recently, about 2 weeks ago. I believe it was on April 15th. And basically, it's enforcing mandatory arbitration provisions, as it says here. This is on the Discord TOS site right now. And basically, it's forcing mandatory arbitration provisions. It says right here that it may significantly affect your legal rights, including your right to file a lawsuit in court. So basically, arbitration, we can see here, it's a procedure in which a dispute is submitted by agreement of the parties to one or more arbitrators who make binding decision on the dispute. In choosing arbitration, the parties opt for a private dispute resolution procedure instead of going to court. Essentially, this agreement to arbitrate right here, like, it will affect significantly your right to file a lawsuit or simply suing Discord. Now, I'm not saying that you will encounter a time where you will sue Discord, but if you don't opt out now and you are a US resident, then if it ever by chance happens in the future, then, well, can't really do anything about that. A quick summary on this update, we can see here, Discord requires users to attempt informal resolution by emailing disputes@discordapp.com before initiating a lawsuit or arbitration. And then it just goes into detail here about all the rules on this arbitration. And it does say down here that arbitration is mandatory, like it says on the TOS, unless you send a opt-out email to their opt-out email, arbitration_optout@discord.com, within 30 days of accepting the terms or creating an account. So for all current users right now, you have to send this email in by May 15th this year. That is about 7 days away from now, and you must send it now, or else you will not have at least a straightforward right to suing Discord anytime in the future, if you do have to. But if you create an account afterwards, let's say you create it after May 15th, or even right now, you will have an extended 30 days from the time you create the account, of course, because, well, they released it. So since they released it while you already had your account, it's only 30 days within them adding that arbitration change. But if you create a new account, you have 30 additional days from the creation date to opt out. A few things here. Exceptions to arbitration include small claims court cases, intellectual property disputes, and copyright cases. So these are just exceptions to the arbitration rule. So essentially, if we actually go back to this older terms of service feedback and changes post that they posted in 2018, they say that this shows also that there was also an opt-out thing. You have the right to opt out and not be bound by the provisions requiring arbitration by sending written notice of your decision to opt out to Discord by email to this email here. Now I'm going to show you how to opt out right now, so you can do it as soon as possible, so then your account is safe from these new rules. So, and once again, remember, this is only for US residents, but just in case, if you think that you might be affected where you live, then it wouldn't hurt you to send an email to them as well. So essentially, just go to your email. I'm on my email here, and then compose a new email and set it to arbitration-opt-out, arbitration-opt-out@discord.com, and I'll just show you a basic format here. So for the subject, we could just say Discord arbitration opt out, and then And then right here, we could paste our user ID. Now I will have this template in the description below, so you can simply copy and paste it into your email and quickly and efficiently send Discord an opt-out email as soon as possible. Now quickly though, how to get your Discord ID. Remember, when you're on your Discord account here, you can simply right click on your user and then click the copy user ID button. And remember, if you don't have the copy user ID button, you could go into your user settings, into advanced, and then turn on developer mode. Once you copy that, you could go back to your email and simply paste it in. Now we have to do the topic here. It's going to be pretty simple. So we're going to start it off with hello. And then we could do a brief message here on why you're emailing them, of course. We could just say, this email is to assert my freedom to opting out of the mandatory Discord arbitration change. Or sorry, not change, let's do provisions. And then after that, then we could put a little section here for my user information. And then we'll have your user ID here, which is the one we copied, so you can paste that in. And then next, you could put your email below it. So I'll put my email here at gmail.com. And then we'll just end it off with sincerely, and then put your name. So I'll just put, in this case, I'll put exceed. So this is a basic template on how you can opt out of Discord. Simply send this to the arbitration-opt-out@discord.com email, and you will be opted out of their new mandatory Discord arbitration provisions. Now remember, you only have until May 15th to do so. So I advise that you do this right away, so then you can protect your information on Discord, as well as keep your right to suing them if you, for some reason, have to anytime in the future. Because the last thing you'd want is having to sue them 3 years from now and then realizing, well, I didn't opt out all that time ago, and then questioning your sanity. So in that case, though, that's how you opt out. I'd like to quickly end this video off, though, just letting you know once again that my YouTube channel Discord server is out. It is also a Discord support server and general support server. So I'm looking for, well, my first viewers to join the server here, because it would be highly appreciated. So in that case, though, that'll be the end and the conclusion to this video. Go opt out of this new Discord mandatory arbitration, especially if you are a US resident, because that is who it mainly or only affects. And that'll be the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. And please leave a comment below on what you think of this change. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and I'll hope to see some of you join my Discord server. Bye-bye.